Setting a stop loss on DEX screener involves using a supported decentralized exchange and integrating a wallet to manage risk. While DEX screener itself doesn't provide direct stop loss functionality, it allows you to monitor trades and analyze price movements to implement a stop loss. Here's how you can do it. Connect your wallet. Visit DEX screener and connect your Web3 supported wallet. Choose a trading pair. Select the token pair you are trading from the search bar or explore the available pairs on DEX screener. Track price movements. Use the price chart and market data to monitor the performance of the token pair. You can adjust timeframes to analyze short-term and long-term price trends. Set a stop loss. Once you identify an entry point, set a stop loss order within your wallet. Most DEXs do not directly support setting stop losses, but you can manually monitor price movements and adjust your position when the price hits a specific level. Use third-party tools or smart contracts that automate stop loss functionality if supported by your DEX. Use alerts. DEX screener also allows sending alerts for price changes, which can act as a trigger to execute a manual stop loss if the price reaches your predefined threshold. Execute the stop loss. If the market reaches your stop loss price, execute the sell order through your connected wallet to minimize losses.